Automate your workflows with application integration and Drupal AI. Leverage Drupal's unique context management capabilities to turn Jira tickets or Confluence pages into ready-to-publish content in your developer portal. Here's an example from Jira. Let's say hi to the agent first, then ask for all new API version releases. In just a few seconds, we get the list, and the agent asks whether we'd like more details about an item. After selecting the last item on the list, the Jira release agent and the blog post generator agent take action. In GCP, we have a connection to Jira, and the agent development kit is used to develop the agents that are running now. This step may take a few moments to complete. Here we go, the data from Jira is now available in a structured format. Let's take a look at what has been extracted. The content is structured with headings, subheadings, and body text. If we like the generated content, the third agent connected to the developer portal takes action after confirmation. The content on the developer portal has been published and appears just as we saw it earlier. We built the publishing workflow with application integration. As the agent pushes content to the portal, AI automations in the back-end convert unstructured information into structured data. Let's check the admin UI to see the generated editable fields. Version type and release summary are auto-generated, with breaking changes highlighted. The summary text extracted from Jira can be edited here. Version deprecation information is also flagged. Key features show which taxonomies are used or created to categorize and organize content, and the affected endpoints are listed. Similar automation can be set up with Confluence, as the connector is available in GCP. Would you like to see more workflow automations in action? Contact us at info@pronovix.org to request a demo.